I've always wanted to dismantle smartphones to see if I could repair them to something near new condition. Today looks like it'll be the start of this addition to my DIY hobby. I have my very first smartphone haul, and to see what I do with this, stay tuned. I guess I need to look at what I have here. Even though I filled this hat myself, I didn't really keep track of what I was grabbing as I tried to grab anything that looked like it would be fun and challenging to fix. The first thing I'll do before anything else is give all the phones a cleaning just on the outside shell. Some of them have that sticky goo on the rubberized plastic, so I want to at least get that out of the way. To clean them, I'm using lacquer thinner. A wet paper towel should take off most of what I want to remove and yet not damage anything else. I tried cleaning the cases, but lacquer thinner seemed to almost melt anything rubber. I've researched each of these phones to get some basic history on them, like the model of the phone and the approximate date it was released. I thought it might be good to know that info, especially for ordering replacement parts. I went through powering on each phone to confirm which could at least do that okay. Some of them needed a charge. The flip phones were the problem ones because back in the day, those always had proprietary chargers, so with those not powering up, it'll be a while before I can work on them. Although it's not showing on this clip, even this Galaxy S7 with no screen showed signs of powering up, so I was glad for that. I was excited to see a phone like this in the scrap bin and grabbed it immediately, hoping it was going to be refurbishable. Since I don't really keep up with all the different smartphones in the industry, I need to label them with the basic info for future reference. I probably won't get back to working on some of these phones for maybe a year or more. So this is my small stockpile of upcoming videos. A lot of the videos for rebuilding these exact devices are probably all over YouTube, I'm sure. What I felt I should try is find ways to customize these phones similar to the idea of the Frankenstein phone videos, but in a different category of customization. These iPhones are already premium phones, so I'll see if I can make them even more premium. I'll see how that goes. Thanks for watching. Leave your questions and comments in the comments section below. That's all I have for now, and I'll catch you in the next video.